Vietnam is everywhere right now. Instagram reels, travel vlogs, budget trips, luxury trips, in all categories. Whenever Indians plan Vietnam, there is one question they keep on asking themselves: whether we need to go to the embassy, is it visa on arrival option available, or is it visa free country? In this video, I'm going to explain the complete Vietnam e-visa process for Indians in 2026. It's a step-by-step process. I'm going to explain it to you in a very simple language. No agents required, no confusion, no stress. Just be with me till the end and follow my instructions carefully. You will end up applying Vietnam e-visa in just 5 minutes. Guaranteed. Before we jump into the visa process, let me tell you quickly why Vietnam is the hottest destination for Indians in 2026. It's very affordable, amazing food, beautiful beaches, mountains, and cities, safe for tourists, and most importantly, easy visa process. That's why Vietnam is one of the top trending international destinations for Indians in 2026. Let's clear this first. Yes, Indian passport holders do need a visa to enter Vietnam. But the good news is you don't need to visit any embassy for that. Indians can apply this Vietnam e-visa completely online sitting at home. This is a single entry tourist visa issued by Vietnam Immigration directly. Here is how the Vietnam e-visa works. Applied completely online, processing time around 3 to 5 working days, validity usually for 30 days, purpose tourism, entry allowed through major airports, seaports, and land borders. You will receive as an PDF by email, which you print and carry while traveling to Vietnam. No embassy visit, no passport submission. This is the easiest part. Vietnam doesn't ask for too many documents. You just need 4 major documents. Here is the list. Minimum 6 months validity has to be there. At least one blank page has to be there in your passport. The second one is passport size photo with white background and clear face. The next one is passport scan copy, a clear scan of the first page and the last page of your passport. And the fourth one is international transaction enabled debit or credit card. That's it. No bank statement, no hotel booking, no flight booking required at this stage. Now let me explain how to apply this Vietnam e-visa online through their official immigration website. I will take you through step-by-step process. Stay with me till the end so that you'll have a clear idea on how to apply this visa. Let me share my screen. Go to Google and type Vietnam e-visa for Indians. Out of these search results, you can see a lot of unofficial websites are popping up at the top. Scroll down, you have to choose the right official website. The exact URL for official website is evisa.gov.vn. I'll give this link in the description below. You can make use of it. This is the exact official link. Click it. This will take you to the immigration website. Here you can see logo and the Ministry of Public Security Immigration data here. And this is the home page. And here you can see apply now. Please click apply now. Here is the declaration and instruction page. You can scroll down. And at the bottom of the page, you will find 2 options, 2 tick boxes. Click that and click next. It's a simple 3-step process. Fill out the application form, review the form, and pay the visa fee. The first step is to fill out the application form. Here you can see 2 options to upload your passport size photo and your passport scan copy. You have to take a clear scan copy of the passport and your photo before uploading into the website. I'm going to choose some dummy photo and passport details here. Let me upload the photo first and then the dummy passport. Once it's uploaded, it will calculate the score. Yeah, here you can see it match percentage is 91.04. If it's over and above 60%, then there is high chance of you getting the visa approved. But if it's less than 60%, it's very difficult to get. This disclaimer will come even if it's 99%. So just ignore this disclaimer and proceed with your personal information. Scroll down and start entering personal information. Since you have uploaded your passport scan copy, it will capture most of the details automatically. But please cross check the spelling of your name, no nationality, date of birth, everything. You just cross check each and every detail. I'm going to enter the date of birth as per the dummy passport, and the nationality is already captured. And whatever is the mandatory information, please fill only that. If it's there is no star symbol, ignore no entering the details in that particular section. Since it's an e-visa, you have to enter your valid email ID so that you will receive your visa on time without any delay. Religion, place of birth, and again re-enter your email ID. Once it's done, you can answer these questions. Have you ever used any other passport? No. Do you have multiple nationalities? No. Violation of the Vietnam laws? No. And to issue e-visa, whether you have to choose, you need a single entry or a multiple entry visa. I'm going to choose single entry because I'm going to use only for 10 days. So if it's for multiple entry, the fees would be 50 USD. For single entry, it's 25 USD. I chose single entry visa and I started with the start date of my trip. Tentatively, I'm going to give some date in February 18th, and I'm going to travel for 10 days. So 27th, I can choose. I'll choose 27th Feb. So totally 10 days I'm planning to visit Vietnam. And if you scroll down the passport information, again the passport number, everything will be captured automatically. Cross check one more time. And here type of passport is ordinary. Date of issue, again I'm going to give some random date, and the expiry date of your passport. All these things has to match your original passport. Do you hold any other valid passport? No. Then comes the contact information. Here you have to enter your residential address as per whatever you have mentioned in your passport. You have to replicate the same here as well. And the contact address means you can enter your email address. Again, I'm going to give my same email address here as well. After that, you have to enter your valid telephone number. And under emergency contact, it's mandatory to fill this detail. So I'm going to give some dummy data here. You can give your spouse details here or your parents detail here. I'm going to choose all these details as per this existing data. So once the emergency contact detail is done, next is occupation, but here there is no star symbol, so it's not mandatory. Please don't fill this section at all, leave it blank. Move to next stage is information about the trip. This is mandatory. Purpose of entry, tourism, and your start date and the total number of days are captured by default. Here you have to enter your hotel details, where you're going to stay in Vietnam. I'm going to take this as a dummy hotel detail. Based on this data, the city is Hanoi, and the ward and commune name is Baden. And this part is very important because here the entire entry and exit points names are listed out. You have to choose your exact entry and exit point from this list. For example, if you're traveling to Vietnam from India, these are the three major airports you'll be landing on. The first one is Hanoi, which is Noi Bai International Airport, and Ho Chi Minh City, it stands on International Airport, and from Da Nang, it's Da Nang International Airport. I'm going to choose Noi Bai International Airport now. Here, I'm going to enter through Noi Bai International Airport and exit also the same for me. So I'm going to choose the same airport name here as well. and click this tick box and proceed to the next section. Whether agency, organization, individual that applicant plan to contact, no. Have you been to Vietnam in last 1 year? No. Do you have relatives who currently reside in Vietnam? No. Scroll down. Do you accompany children under 14 years of age? If yes, please fill this detail. Otherwise, you can skip this. Scroll down, and here is the expense and insurance detail. Insurance is not mandatory for Vietnam, so keep it blank. Click this tick box and proceed by clicking next. The next page is a review page. Here, what and all details you have entered so far will be reflecting here. Check each and every detail carefully, and in case of any change, use this edit button to edit it right away, because there is no option to edit after this particular page. Once all the details are correct, scroll down, enter the security code and click next. This is just a pop-up confirmation. Click confirm. This will take you to the payment page. Here you can see 25 USD. Since it's a single entry visa, it shows only 25 USD. If you choose multiple entry visa, the amount would be 50 USD. Scroll down. After this instruction, you'll have this I agree to pay option. Click that and click payment. This will take you to the payment gateway page. There you will be having two options. The first one is by pay by ATM card, but these banks are their local banks. You don't have any card in that particular bank name. So choose the second option, pay by Visa or MasterCard. Most of our Indian no debit or credit card is from Visa or Master, and enter the detail and click continue. Once the payment is confirmed, you will get this transaction details, and then the waiting game began. Usually, the processing time takes 3 to 5 working days. If everything goes well, you will get an email from Vietnam immigration with your Vietnam e-visa in it. Vietnam e-visa usually take 3 to 5 working days. Sometimes it's faster, but sometimes slightly delayed during peak travel season. Take at least 2 photocopies of the visa and also keep a soft copy on your phone as a backup. This part is very important. These mistakes can delay or reject your visa. Wrong passport number, spelling mismatch with passport, blurry passport scan, selecting wrong entry point and exit points, applying from unofficial websites. Small mistakes, big impact. So take your time while filling this online form. Vietnam e-visa is one of the easiest visas for Indians. It's very affordable, it's completely online, and no embassy stress. If you're planning Vietnam in 2026, this is honestly one of the best international option for Indian travelers. If this video helped you, please like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Virtual Visa. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification on all my future videos. Thanks for watching. I am Mohan, signing off.